Can you do a little scale? Can you go la 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 la? La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh my goodness. That's not what I did. That's the only thing with Lola. She gets very excited and she likes to make up her own stuff. It's just a little scale. Just go la 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 la. La la la. Okay, that's good. Okay. What is that? No. Okay. Now, here's the part of the show where we want to really bring out, you know, the singing parrot. This has always been my big dream ever since I decided I wanted to do a little bird show. So I got this little parrot when she was 1 year old, and I started working with her every day and for a year, and I'm serious. I sat with this bird every day for a year, remember? And I would sing Somewhere Over the Rainbow, and Happy Birthday to You, and Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and she'll sing. I just cannot figure out what in the world she is singing. She doesn't like to learn our songs because apparently she's such an excellent songwriter all on her own. So this first one's supposed to be Somewhere Over the Rainbow. I'm going to start her off and we'll see what she does. Ready? Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. It's like a crazy person. Merman with Tourette's.